ॐ पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहम् संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्।
ध्यान श्लोकाः। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम् नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे भुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोल्कडम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितम् लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयात् भारत पंकजं कलिमल प्रध्वंसिन श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। अथ गीता महात्म्यम्। गीताशास्त्रमिदं पुण्यं यः पठेत् प्रयतः पुमान् विष्णो पदमवाप्नोति भयशोकविवर्जितः गीताध्ययनशीलस्य प्राणायामपरस्य च नैव सन्ति हि पापानि पूर्वजन्मकृतानि च मलनिर्मोचनं पुंसां जलस्नानं दिने दिने सकृद्गीताम्भसि स्नानं संसारमलनाशनम् गीतासु गीता कर्तव्या किमन्यैः शास्त्रविस्तरैः या स्वयं पद्मनाभस्य मुखपद्माद्विनिसृता भारतामृतसर्वस्वं विष्णोर्वक्त्राद्विनिसृता श्रितं गीता गङ्गोदकं पीत्वा पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् एकं शास्त्रं देवकी पुत्रगीतम् एको देवो देवकी पुत्र एव एको मन्द्रस्तस्य नामानि यानि कर्माप्येकं तस्य देवस्य सेवा अथ ध्यानम् शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुत स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवै वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमो वनिषदैर्गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यान्तं न विदुः सुरासुरगणा देवाय तस्मै नमः।
उत्तमं। बहु धन्यवादः, नैके धन्यवादः भगिनी।
धन्यवादः।
इदानीं ह्यस्तनवर्गे अस्माभिः कर्तरि तथा कर्मणि प्रयोगविषये किञ्चित् ज्ञातं। तर्हि मया एकः अभ्यासः प्रसारितः आसीत्। Hope you have received all of you have received, and start doing that. I mean, I don't want your submission and all that. That is only to give you practice as to how to convert kartari to karmani and karmani to kartari. Okay, and because so far you are accustomed to have only kartari prayogas in this sentence, so you can make, I mean, you can make some sense out of it if it is a kartari more easily than if it is a karmani. But slowly, I mean, just to make you understand how to grasp the meaning of karmani, that was the exercise. It is not necessary that you complete all the sentences in the lesson and all that. It is up to you. I mean, I have given a template. You can, in your free time, you can do that. And if you are not able to understand the meaning of karmani sentence directly, convert it to the kartari in the template given. And then the rules also I have given in the last that PowerPoint presentation, how to change that. And you can uh, slowly try to see this one. Now, why we have to learn Karmani Prayoga? Because Karmani Prayoga is abundantly used in the literature. Okay, and in our lesson, the author has given this one. I will open the page. I will tell you which page. See page number 127. Kindly open. And there he has given some of the examples from the Bhagavad Gita itself. I mean, aim of Gita Sopan is to make you understand how the particular style of language is used in Bhagavad Gita. So Bhagavad Gita is serving as our background material to show you, yes, it is used in Bhagavad Gita. So here, idam shariram kaunteya kshetramityabhidhiyate. Abhidhiyate, I will come to this now, how to understand that. They are all karmani vakyas. And in many places, I mean, you will be surprised, the karta is not given. Okay. So where the karta is not given, you can put any karta. Or you can say by the people. Or by some learned people, or this one. So idam shariram kaunteya kshetram idya vidiyate. That this Krishna is telling Arjuna that Arjuna, this body is known as Kshetra. So this is a passive voice. In English also, this body is known as Kshetram. But by whom? That is not known. So Karta is unknown. So there you can, I mean, while changing it to Kartari, the Karta is not given. You can assume by people or by learned people or whatever it is. Okay. Now there are some dhatus. Yesterday I was telling, I will open that presentation again and I'll share the screen. So here I had given the rule that in Karmani Prayoga, अत्र पश्यतु, कर्ता तृतीया विभक्तौ भवति, कर्म प्रथमा विभक्तौ भवति, क्रियापदं कर्मानुसारी भवति, तथा धातु इज मूल धातु प्लस य, and that nutana dhatu has to be declined in atmanepadi. Okay, this is we know, but there are, I mean, normally what we say is, I'll close this one, and I gave the example, say patha is a dhatu, so you add ya and this become pathya. This is normal, gama ya gamya, okay, dhav dhavya and all that. But there are certain dhatus which, I mean, ya is definitely there, but after, I mean, or before attaching ya, they undergo some change. Okay, and there are many dhatus like that. Why it happens is beyond our discussion. Just take it that yes, these dhatus are not just original dhatu plus ya. Okay, so I have listed few of them here, not all, right? So what I have given is Mool Dhatu and Lat Lakare. That, I mean, I have attached the, because it is in Atmanepadi always. So Prathama Purushasya Ekvachanasya Pratyaya asti te, vandate, vandete, vandante. So that Prathama Purushasya Ekvachane Rupam Katham Bhavati, tad maya atra likhidam asti. Grantha Grathyate. Grantha is actually not Ramayana Mahabharata Grantha and all that. The Dhatu Grantha means to put something together and then tie them together. Okay. There is one more here, number 4. Bandha is just to tie like a rope and all that. But Grantha is to gather something and put them together and then tie them together. So, like say you spread some bed sheet, put all your items there, and then tie a bundle. So grantha is basically to bundle something and tie them together. Then graha grunnati is to take, gruhyate. Pracha, you know, pruchhati, to ask. Badnati is to tie. Atmanepadi, I mean, in the karmani Atmanepadi, it becomes badhyate. Yaja is to perform yajna. Okay. Then ijjate. Vacha, yesterday some people pointed out vacha becomes uchyate, vada becomes udyate. Vapa is to sow something. I mean, uh, bij bona. Vapa upyate. Vaha uyyate. This vaha uyyate is actually to carry a load, huh? Or to flow, both. So Gardavaha bharam vahati and Gardavena bharaha uyyate. So this is it. but nadi vahati and nadya uhyate, both are correct. So vah dhatu has got double meaning. Then vasa becomes ushyate. Vyada is to hunt. Vidyate, I mean shikar karna. Vyada vidyate. Swapa is to sleep. Supyate. Maya supyate. I am sleeping. Then here ghra jigrati is to smell. Why our book has given that as a special dhatu, I don't know. So I, because our Gita Sopan book has given that, I have put it here, grayate. Because I think the normal rule is if there is a a at the end, it becomes e. Da diyate, dha dhiyate, pa piyate, ma miyate. Ma is to measure. Okay, measure something, 1 kilo, 2 kilo, like that, or 1 liter, 2 liter. Stha sthiyate, ha hiyate. So maybe this gra is a what do you say, apavada to all the akaranta dhatu. So they are given as a special. I don't know why. Then on the right side, adhi plus e. Adhi, this e dhatu is always, I mean, there are two e dhatus, one of them which means study, adhi, adhyayanam, adhiyate, and these are all the lat lakare, I mean karmani, this one in prathama purush ekvachan. Kshi, normally kshi kshayati is to decay. Kshiyate. Chi chinoti is to select. Chiyate. Ji jayati to win, and jiyate is karmani. Ni niyati means to take or carry, le jana. Niyate. Krinati is to buy. So kriyate. Shrunoti is to listen. Shruyate. Stuyate. Again, dhu here, I don't know why they are given as a because see, stu is rasva u, but when it becomes stuyate, it becomes dirgha u. But dhur itself is dirgha u. I don't know why they have given as a special dhatu. I don't know. Then kru kriyate, kru karoti, saha karyam karoti, tena karyam kriyate. Now here dhru we will discuss in more detail just after some time. Dhru is to dhru dharati, dharan karna. Dhriyate, yesterday we had that problem of dharyate and all that. Why it is there, I will discuss. Then mru, marati is to die. Mriyate, najayate mriyate va kadachinnayam bhutvan bhavita vana bhuya. Like that. Mru mriyate. Vru is to select, in the sense uh, give preference to. Okay, like that in the Swayamvar, that Swayamvar Shabda has come from here. Vru Vriyate. Vru Vrunoti is the dhatu to give preference, that I will, the princess used to say, okay, among all these princes, I prefer this prince for marriage. Smru Smarati is to remember. Ruhriyate, Ruharati is to, I mean, take away, na? Dushasana, Draupadya, Vastram Aharat, that kind of Ruhriyate. Now, this is through Tirya, through is a Dirga Rukaranta, but it becomes Tiryate. Then Ve is to invite, Avvayati, Avhanam Karoti, to call, Ve Huyate. Gai Giyate, Gai is to Gayati, na? To sing. Giyate. Dhyai Dhyayate, Dhyanam Karoti. So these are 39 dhatus which I could pick out. I mean, there may be many more, but what you may be coming across are these 39. Plus, there are three dhatus which I wanted to give special this one. Bru doesn't become bruyate because bru dhatu changes to vach in the karmani prayog. Okay, and some other lakaras also. Okay, so bru becomes vach and that vach becomes uchyate. So bru directly becomes uchyate. Then asadhatu, yesterday somebody was pointing, so it is here. Asa becomes bhuyate. And then there was one more question, palayate, right? So palayate, there is no dhatu. Actually, what happens is there is a dhatu is aya. Aya means to go. Ayati is to, or I think ayate. It is atmanepadi dhatu. So ayate is to go. But when it is preceded by upasarga, which has a r shabda in the begin at the end, like nir, dur, para, pra, that kind of thing, that ra changes, r in the upasarga changes to l. So palayate. Aya is already there. You add ya for karmani. So ayya, it becomes ayyate in pratham purusha ekvajan. But add upasarga para, so it becomes parayate is to run away, bhagjana. So this is the one. Yesterday somebody was asking what is palayate and all that. So this is the one. Okay, and these dhatus, I mean, I'm yet to consolidate the list which you may come across all this one. So apart from that, normal rule is add year to the original dhatu and think that it is same in the Nutan, this one. Like this one, Mula Dhatu plus year and put it in Atmanepadi, form the this one, and then like here we did Ramaha Vanam Gachati. So what is the Dhatu? Gachati is the Kriya Padam. So add year, Nutana Dhatu becomes Gamya. Then put Atmanepadi here. And let us see. And this is the new forms of the gamadhatu in karmani prayoga. Then use that as per our rule. Karta change it to prathama, then karmani, sorry, karta to tritiya and karma to prathama, and use these new forms as per the karma. You will get the ramaha vanam ramena vanam gamyate. So main question was how to find the dhatu of new dhatu in the atmanepadi and the karmani prayog. And these are the special dhatus that we have listed. Okay, now there is a list of 16 dhatus which had two karmas. Okay, I will show you those things here. Dikarmaka dhatava. Okay, so what happens is there are 16. They're listed in the literature. So here, what is the mukhyam karma? Duha dhatu dogdhi. Krishna kshiram dogdhi. Dogdhi is the this one. Prathama Purusha Ekvachan Rupam of Duha dhatu in Lat Lakar. So dugdham, actually what is he is milking, that is the object, is the mukhya karma. But from whom he is taking the milk, that gau or mahishi or anything, aja, or that is gauna. Gauna is a secondary, mukhya is main object is dugdham, and gaunam karma is secondary object is the animal or this one from which the milk is coming. Then yach yachate. Okay, so here yachitam vastu, it is the main karma. You are begging somebody, please give me some money or anything. So that whatever you are begging, that is the mukhya karma. And from whom you are begging, he or she becomes a gauna karma. Then pacha dhatu. Pachanat param vastu, that is, suppose you are making a roti. Okay. So the rotika becomes the mukhya karma, and pachana purvam vastu, that dough or flour, is the gauna karma. Or suppose you are making rice, a cooked rice. So cooked rice is called odan. So odan is the mukhya karma, and raw rice, that is vrihi, that is gauna karma. Then danda dandayati. Okay. So here actual the fine imposed, say 2 years imprisonment, whatever it is. So that is mukhya karma, and the person who is getting that punishment is the gauna karma. Then rudha, rokna. Okay. So suppose I am going to some place and they stop me, don't go further. Okay. So I am the object which has been stopped either by police or by agitators or whatever it is. So I become the mukhya karma, yad rudhyate, and sthanam, maybe a place in a city or maybe a crossroad or where I'm, that is the gauna karma. Then prachati. So prashna vishaya, suppose I ask something, the object, the question itself or the prashna itself is the mukhya karma. And the person whom we are asking, like suppose I am asking question to Guru, so Guru becomes the uh, second karma. Okay, the gauna karma, the secondary object. Then chi chinoti is to pluck or select from a group. So whatever is being plucked, or the flowers, or say you're taking, I mean, selection in a group of people, you're selecting somebody. So that person or this one is mukhya karma, and from where it is being, oh, there is a spelling mistake, chiyate. You're plucking the flowers from tree, so the tree becomes gauna karma. Brew, again, here I have put bruyate for the understanding. Actually, brew becomes uchyate. Okay, only for, okay, let me change it. Yad uchyate and yasmai uchyate. Means you're telling something. So say Krishna is telling Arjuna the Gita Upadesh. So the Gita becomes the mukhya karma and Arjuna becomes the secondary karma. Shas, again same thing. Okay, that being ruled or you're being directed, I mean commanding. So whatever the command, that is the mukhya karma, and one who is being uh, governed is the gauna karma. Then G Jayate. See, I mean, you're winning. I mean, one king defeats the other king and wins his kingdom. So that kingdom which is won is the mukhya karma, and the king from whom it was won is the gauna karma. Then mathnati is the Rudadi Ganasya Dhatu. Manthana Purva Dravyam, like suppose Kim buttermilk is there, or this one. So that is mukhya karma, that you are churning that, and whatever you get out of that, say butter, that is the gauna karma. Or the example given in the literature is the mukhya karma is kshira sagara. Okay, and Manthana Kriyapalam Amrutam or whatever they did, 14 items which came out of the Samudra Manthan. They are the Kriyapalam. Then Musha. Musha is to rob something, rob somebody of something. So, Yad Mushate, I mean, suppose I pickpocketing. So that item which I lost, I mean, that is the Mukhya Karma, maybe my wallet or money or whatever. And I become the second karma, the Gauna Karma, from whom it was robbed. Then knee, whatever is needs to take away, I mean, carry and take. So le jana. So whatever is being carried, that is mukhya karma. And wherever it is going, say I aham pustakam pathashalam nayami. So pathashala, that gantavya sthanam, is become gauna karma. Ru riyate, again same thing. I mean, oh, I gave the example of Draupadi Vastra, but here not only taking away, but you're taking it to some other place. Okay, like IC 814, it was uska aparan hua and it was taken to Kandahar. So IC 814 is the Mukhya Karma and Kandahar is the that Gauna Karma. Then Krusha Karshate is to pull, Karshati, the dhatu is Krusha Karshati. To pull, I mean to scratch and pull something, like a farmer pulls the plow and I mean that's how he plows the field. So that the plow is being pulled, na? So halam karshati, krashakaha. So that is the karshate, and yatra karshate, that wherever is being pulled, so the destination, that is the gauna karma. And vaha uyyate, that again carry or flow. But here, uh, what is carried, that gardabha bharam vahati. So gardhabena bharaha uyyate. So that is the mukhya karma. And wherever he is taking it, say he is taking it to say Shivaji Nagar, so that becomes gauna karma. Okay. Now there are specific rules. In Kartari Prayog, there is no problem. Both will be Dvitiya Vibhakti. So Krishna Gam Dugdam Dogdhi, or maybe some person Satisha Mahishim Dugdam Dogdhi. Both will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. But in Karmani Prayog, Karta will be in Tritiya. There is no problem. But in Karmani Prayog, these Mukhya Karma and Gauna Karma, they have specific vibhaktis given by the grammar books. So here I have listed. So Krishnena Gauhu Dugdham Duyyate. That is the this one. Okay. And this Mool Dhatu, we know already how to change that one, no? In the this one. That Mool Dhatu plus Ya is the new Dhatu, Nutana Dhatu. But if any special this one is there, they are given in this Vishesha Dhatava. So find out from here and then uh, use the appropriate this one. Only for this Dvikarmaka Dhatus, the rules are slightly strict, that the main karma should have this vibhakti and the Gauna karma should have this vibhakti. And for the last four dhatus, the pattern changes. 13, 14, 15, 16. Whatever is one here, it becomes one here. I mean, whatever is the Prathama Vibhakti for Gauna Vibhakti, Gauna Karma, it becomes the prathama vibhakti for mukhya karma for the last four, and vice versa. Whatever is the dvitiya vibhakti for mukhya karma in this 12, so dvitiya vibhakti becomes the vibhakti of gauna karma in these four. So this is in short your karmani prayogasya, this one. The dvikarmak dhatu, there is one more, this one. I mean, I'm yet to study more, but I'm sharing this one. See, dashama ganasya dhatavaha, like churadi ganasya. You know what is the vikaran pratyaya for dashama ganaha? Kopi vadati va? Hari Om?
I?
Ay.
Aya.
Huh? So, okay. So, what happens is chura dhatu. So, this becomes chorayati. So, there, what we do is we have to add year to chur. But here, I mean, this is the, it does not become churya. Okay. There is something in the this form. You remove the vikaran, tingan pratyam vikaran, and then we get chor. That's all. And then add year. So choryate is the form. Sorry. So like that, dashama, for the 10th gana dhatu is very simple. Gana, ganayati. Okay. So ganayati. So here you remove this, and this gana. Okay, here it is same. Ganyate. Okay. Let us see katha. So it will become kathyate. Now these are the normal dhatus in the 10th gana. But there are other dhatus when we add prayojak kriyapad, like nijant. I mean, those who are not familiar with what is nij and all that, forget about that. And if instead of you do that, you make somebody else to do that job. Okay. So kru, in the normal, this is karoti. But if you are getting it done from somebody, it's karayati. Okay. Or say patha. So instead of pathati, you are making somebody read for you, or that is you're teaching him how to do. So it becomes pathayati. So these dhatus are called, I mean, not dhatu, the usages, they are the nijanta usage. So what happens is, dhru dhatu, here, see here, this one, normally dhru dharati is to hold or wear, dharan karna. And dhriyate is the normal thing. But when you make somebody wear that, I mean, it is a nijanta. So that time it becomes dharayati. Dhru, oh sorry, dhru dharati is the original dhatu. With the nijanta, make somebody to wear that. So dharayati. And this in the karmani will become dharyate. Okay. So yesterday our this one, Daihi Tilakam Dharyate. So there, I mean, the tilaka is the object which is being applied by, see now here, how to differentiate between dharati and dharayati. Dharayati is swayam dharati. Dharayati is to make somebody wear. Okay. So let us say the example of tilaka. So when a lady is putting a kumkum tilak on her own forehead, so Bhagini tilakam dharati, that's all. Kumkum tilakam dharati. She is applying to her own forehead. But when you are applying it to somebody else's forehead, then you are, I mean, say Ramaha Lakshmanam tilakam dharayati. So Rama is applying the tilakam to Lakshmana's forehead. So there it is dharayati. He is not taking himself. He is making somebody wear. So there it is dharayati. And then in the karmani, as I said, chorayati becomes choryate. So dharayati will become dharyate. So that is the confusion yesterday we had. But here I am yet to study whether this has two karmas and whether the as in this Vishesha Dhatavana one will become Dvitiya, sorry, not in this. This one, the Mukhya Karma will become Dvitiya Vibhakti and something like that. I am yet to study that. When my study will be over, I'll come back and tell you. But yesterday that confusion, Dharyate, what is the old original Dhatu and all that. So there it is actually Dharayati is the original this one. But this again Nijanta, so the Mool Dhatu is Dhru. And if one is wearing for herself, it is Dharati. As putting for somebody else is Dharayati. Okay. Now come back to page number 127. Here we will see, now here I will open the Vishesha Dhatavaha. Very dha. See, dha is here. Dha dhiyate. Dha is again, it has got many meanings. If it is with upasargas, it changes a lot of this one. So it is vi and dha, vidha. Okay, vidadhati. So will become vidhiyate means to do, to kriyate. I mean to do something vidhi. Same thing, abhidhiyate, abhidhan. Abhidhan is name. So abhidadhati means to give a title to somebody or to name it something. So abhidhiyate is being named as, or it is being identified as. Okay. So here Krishna says, idam shariram kaunteya kshetram ityavidhiyate. Kshetram iti abhidhiyate. Abhidhiyate is, it is termed as, or it is known as, because we are naming it as kshetram. Okay. Then karya karana kartrutve hetu prakruti. Whatever it is that we will study in the fourth lesson, fourth level. But hetuhu prakruti uchyate. Hetuhu uchyate. Or prakriti hi uchyate. Uchyate again. Uchyate is called as. Purusha sukha dukkhana bhokturve hetuhu uchyate. Is called as, always termed as. Then yasmin sthito na dukkhena guruna api vichalyate. Now here is a very difficult, difficult, not difficult in the sense, involved prakriya is vi upasarga, then chala dhatu, and put nijanta. Chala chalati. See here, chala is the original dhatu, chalati, one who moves. Saha chalati. But chalayati. यथा सतीशः वाहनं चालयति. So I don't move, I make the vehicle move. So chalayati. And then for this, this one will be chalyate, is being moved. And then again with upasarga, vichalyate. So it is making somebody disturbed. Okay. दुःखेन गुरुणा अपि विचाल न दुःखेन गुरुणा अपि विचाल्यते. That we will see later. But here दुःखेन विचाल्यते is not being disturbed by grief or sorrow, and guruna is the visheshan of dukkena. So guruna dukkena api na vichalyate, one who does not get disturbed by even great grief or sorrow. क्रियते बहुलायासं तद्राज समुदारुतम. That will see kriyate here is being done. Then brahmacharyam ahimsa cha shariram tapa uchyate. So this brahmacharya and ahimsa are called as sharirik tapa. Swadhyayabhyasanam chaiva vangmayam tapa uchyate is called as भाव संशुद्धिरेत्येतत् तपो मानसम उच्यते. Okay. Asammuda samarteshu sarva papai pramuchyate. Now here pramuchyate is not uchyate and something upasarga. It is pra upasarga and muchyate is the dhatu. Mucha munchati.
One question, sir.
Yeah.
नीचंत दिस कर्मणि प्रयोगा
Hmm.
तथा नीचंत कर्मणि प्रयोगा भेदः अस्ति?
नहीं. See, okay, we'll give an example. Okay. Chala dhatu,
Okay.
take up. Okay. Chala, chalati. Okay. So I say, I mean, in this, saha chalati. Okay. So he moves. Now,
Yes.
saha chalyate. He is being moved by somebody. Okay. You take that force somebody else. Now,
Okay.
he himself is moving.
Okay.
Now, the vehicle doesn't move by itself. Somebody has to drive it.
Yes.
So that is vahanam. Okay, saha vahanam chalayati. Sorry. Then here the karmani will be tena vahanam chalyate. Okay. But when he is moving by some other force, I mean, for other this one, or let us take other example. Which one should I take? Okay. Gacchati. Saha gacchati. Sorry, font has become smaller. Saha gacchati. Okay, or say vanam. Right? So now, as per our rules, tena vanam gamyate. right?
Yes.
Now here he goes this one, but suppose there is a guide. Hmm? So that guide, let us say, his Mitram. What he will do? He will take him and guide, na?
Yes.
So say Mitram. Oh, Miksham Bhavat. Tam Gamayati. This is Nijantam. He is taking him along with him. I mean, he doesn't go on his own. I mean, he is guided tour kind of thing. Okay. Now
Okay.
here, but here again that Gamayati will become Gamyate again. Uh, I will think over this and come back with the examples next week. Okay. Your question
Okay.
is well taken. Only thing is, your this one is what is the difference between Nijanta Dhatu and Karmani Prayog? Correct?
That's right. That's right.
I'll think over. I mean, I want to make it clear with some examples.
Okay.
Hmm? Right?
Thank you.
Right.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Okay. Then avyakta hi gatir dukkham dehavat vir avapyate. Avapyate is the karmani prayoga. Lippena sa papena, liप्यतेन sa papena, परया प्रकृत्या जगत धार्यते, न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे. So these are all karmani prayogas. Okay. So this is my. I mean, I will be sharing this 2-3 documents that I made, Vikarmak Dhatus and Vishesh Dhatu. Now, one word of caution, these 40 or 42 Dhatus they are not the exhaustive list of special Dhatus. There are many more. I mean, why before adding year, they change the form. Like Pa becomes P, Da becomes Di, Stha becomes Thi. Okay. Then Swapa becomes not Swapyate but Supyate. Like that. So the list is much larger. There's only few dhatus that I could find out that you may come across this one. Okay. So now we'll go to the lesson, page number 116. So how much we had done yesterday? I'm not able to remember. I was making on that chart which I gave you on the this one as Abhyas 4. There I had listed some this one, and idea was to make you understand how the sentence is read in Kartari and how it makes sense. If you are able to make the sense in Karmani itself, well, we'll go ahead. Okay. So I've assumed that we have finished chapter page number 116. We'll go to 117. Can somebody read? अभय द्वितीय दिने मया गीतस्पर्धा आयोज्यते. कोऽपि वदति वा?
I'll read, sir. अभयः द्वितीये गीतस्पर्धा आयोज्यते.
So what is the meaning here? Arthaha kaha? Now here there are three words which are more important. Maya Gita Spardha Ayojyate. And Ditiya Dine, since they are not in the Karta Karma, yesterday, whatever I said, they are not to be touched. They will remain as it is, right? So, main crux is Maya Gita Spardha Ayojyate. So, it will become Aham Gita Spardham Ayunajmi. Okay, or in the this one. And Ditiya Dine will remain Ditiya Dine. Okay, next.
Shall I continue?
Yeah, Patadu.
प्राधानाचार्यः
Hmm.
तस्मिन् कार्यक्रमे कैः भागः गृह्यते.
So yesterday I think we have done this. Kaihi bhagah griyate. So ke bhagam grunnanti. Who all will participate? This is the main. And tasmin karyakram has to be because it doesn't have anything to do with our karmani and kartari. Okay. So in that program, who will participate? This is exactly what we discussed in the beginning of the class. Gita Spardha आयोज्यमाना अस्ति. सो तत्र के भागं गृह्णन्ति, कई भागः गृह्यते, like that. Okay, next.
Somebody else will read.
Yeah, no problem. Because I'm not able to see all the participants here in the screen sharing mode. Those who want to,
Sir, can I?
yeah, no problem. Go ahead.
अभयः
Hmm.
षष्ठवर्गस्य छात्रैः समूहगीतं प्रस्तूयते.
So इदानीं change it to कर्तरि. षष्ठवर्गस्य leave it. It is not outside the.
षष्ठवर्गस्य छात्राः समूहगीतं
प्रस्तुवन्ति. Not stuvanti. And that is raswa. Prastuvanti. Stu raswa. Because see here, I don't know whether I have included this stu dhatu here. Is here number 28. Stu dhatu is stuvati, stuvatah, stuvanti. But in karmani it becomes stuyate. So prastuyate becomes prastuvanti. Agree?
Can I continue?
Continue.
श्वेता सप्तमवर्गस्य छात्रैः देशभक्तिगीतं गीयते.
कर्तरि.
So सप्तमवर्गस्य छात्राः देशभक्तिगीतः.
देशभक्तिगीतं. गीतम is a नपुंसकलिंग शब्द.
अच्छा, so देशभक्तिगीतं गायन्ति.
बहुवचनम. Agree?
Should I continue or someone else?
No. Anybody else wants to read? Okay, I will read this. तृतीय दिने संस्कृत भारत्याः विज्ञान प्रदर्शनी आयोज्यते खलु. Now here there is no karta. Okay. संस्कृत भारत्याः is षष्ठी विभक्ति. संस्कृत भारत्याः विज्ञान प्रदर्शनी आयोज्यते. So somebody, maybe aham or. Now here since there is no karta, karmani looks to be better than kartari because there is no karta. So the Sanskrit Bharati's science exhibition will be put on display. Am Shriman. Then Chaturthe Dinedu Shravan Purnima. There's nothing simple vakya. अतः सर्वैः परस्परं रक्षासूत्रं बध्यते. Okay, now who can change this to Kartari? And for your this one, to facilitate you, I will open the sutra Bada Badnati. Bada Bandhane. Sorry. Sorry. Bandha dhatu, not Bada. See here, Badnati, Badnitaha, Badnanti. Badnasi, Badnitaha, Badnitha. Badnami, Badnivaha, Badnimaha. So, who will do the change from Kartari to Karmani to Kartari? अतः सर्वैः परस्परं रक्षासूत्रं बध्यते. And
So
this,
it is Badnanti.
huh?
Badnanti.
Badnanti, very good. And Karta,
Sarve.
Sarve. So, अतः सर्वे परस्परं
Rakshasutram
रक्षासूत्रं
Badnanti.
बध्नन्ति. Rakshasutram is Napusakalingi. So, Prathama and Ditya both are same. पंचमे दिने अष्टमवर्गस्य छात्रैः तत्र तत्र वीथिनाटकं प्रदर्शते. So now concentrate on छात्रैः वीथिनाटकं प्रदर्शते. Okay. Now here it is this one. प्रकाश महोदय, अत्र निजन्त अपि अस्ति and then कर्मणि. So छात्राः वीथिनाटकं प्रदर्शयन्ति.
Correct.
Is this nijant in Kartari, and Karmani pradarshate, Vithinatakam pradarshate. But if it is not nijanta, Chatra Vithinatakam pashyanti, rather prapashyanti. Okay, they are not seeing, they are exhibiting, they are performing. So it is pradarshayanti, nijanta dhatu, and then Karmani will be pradarshyate. And other words remain the same. Panchame dine ashtamavargasya chhatraha tatra tatra vithinatakam pradarshayanti. Now, what is tatra tatra? Any idea?
There. Something like there and there only.
No, not there and there. It is here and
No,
there.
respective places.
Respective places, or here and there, somewhere. I mean, not decided at this one. In a town, maybe other this one. Okay. Vithi, because it is Vithi is road show. So somewhere they'll here and there they'll be doing the road show like that. Okay. Then Pankaja Shashthe Dine Sarvaihi Chhatraihi Shobha Yatra Kriyate. And now this, can somebody change to Kartari?
Sarve Chhatraha
Huh.
Shobhayatram Kurvanti.
Very good. So tadartham
Thank you.
kena vastuni sangruhyante. Can somebody change this?
तदर्थं किं
हाँ.
वस्तूनि संगृह्यति
संगृह्णाति
No, say it again.
संगृह्यति
Say it again. Tadartham.
तदर्थं किं ओके कानि वस्तूनि
No, 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 no.
sorry
Kena vastuni is tritiya vibhakti. So prathama vibhakti
Ah.
will be
किं
no,
Kim.
not kim. It is not
Kaha.
Pullingi shabda. Pullingi shabda.
Kaha.
Kaha. And vastuni will remain vastuni because vastuni is a napusangalingi shabda bahuvachan.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
Kaha
हाँ
vastuni
महोदय हाँ।
sangruhnati.
संगृह्यन्
Sangruhnati. Gruhnati is okay. Kena phalakani likhyante.
कः फलकानि लिखति
Likhati. Very good. Kena kutram netrutvam vidhiyate.
one question, sir.
हाँ.
This Ken became Kaha. Tadartham Ken Vastuni Sangruhnante.
हाँ.
Ken became Kaha.
Hmm.
Vastuni remained Vastuni because of Napusik.
हाँ.
But Sangruhnante, that should become Sangruhnanti, no?
No, no, no.
Anekal.
No. It is kartru anusari padam. So kartru is ekvachanam kaha.
Yes.
Huh? So kaha sangruhnati. Who will gather the items required for the road show and all that? Hmm?
But in original this thing, why it is then Sangruhnante?
Because it is vastuni. Karma anusari. Karma is bahuvachanam.
Ah, okay. Got it.
Huh? No problem. I mean,
Got it.
that is why I am going slowly to make each and every point clear. It should be crystal clear to all of you what follows what, which verb follows karta, which verb follows karma, and whether it is ekvachan or bahuvachan. Okay, like that. So, kena phalakani likhyante, as he said, kaha phalakani likhati. Who will write on the board? I mean, this one. Kena kutram netrutvam vidhiyate. Now here it is slightly, if somebody is able to do kena kutra, forget about kena netrutvam vidhiyate. Vidhiyate is to do. I mean V plus dhatu is to do.
Vidhiyati.
Huh?
Vidhiyati.
No. Vidhi, see here I will go to the special dhatus again. Huh? So see here. Dhiya, V is upasarga, so vidhiyate becomes V plus dha. But dha dhatu, that is your background knowledge. How is it go? How does it go? Dadhati. Okay. Dha dhatu. I'll open the dhatu part again. Dha. Dadhati, dhatta, dadhati. Dadhasi, dhatta, dhatta. Dadhami, dadhva, dadmaha. Okay. So, kena
Vidadati.
vidhiyate. Who will do the leadership? So, kaha netrutvam vidadhati is the form in Kartari. I mean, in simple English, who will do the leadership? Who will lead the show? Ityevam sarvam nischetavyam. This is again karmani, but in a different form, did in krudanta form that we will study later. Sadhu sadhu. Yadi sarvaihi militva nischiyate tarhi. Okay. Yadi sarvaihi militva no militva forget. Sarvaihi nischiyate. So what is the dhatu here and what is the upasarga? Look here, special dhatu.
ची धातु निस उपसर्ग
Where is that? Yeah, she is there, not there. It is here. Okay. So chiyate is chi dhatu. So chi panchama ganasya dhatu chi chinoti. And upasarga is nis. Nischinoti. Nischinutaha. Nischinvanti. Chinoti, chinutaha, chinvanti is the dhatu. Okay, let us see. You have to be thorough with the dhatu rupas. Unless that. Or anyway, dhatu pada is there. Chinoti, chinutaha, chinvanti. It is the atmanepadi also. Chinute, chinvate, chinvate. I use chinvanti. And nis is the upasarga. So nischinvanti. So sarve militva nischinvanti. It is very, this is odd form. I mean, not easily understood. So nischiyate is easily understood. It will be decided by all. Sarvaihi nischiyate. It should be decided by all. Tarhi, then he is saying that. But what is to be decided? That who will do the leadership? Who will lead?
Mother,
Huh?
this yadi sarve militva nishchiyate is actually bhave prayoga, right? Because there's no, I don't see karma pada.
Karma is not there, so it is a bhave, but here it is abstract object is already there, not in the word or not in the sentence. Okay, very good. It is bhave prayog, but what is being decided, that itself is object. It is a adhyahara. Now next is bhave prayog. Asmabhi tathaiva.
Sir?
Yeah.
One question, sir. This upasarga here is nis or ni?
Nis.
Nis. Okay. That's why it is become nishpananti.
No, that's sakara changes to small shakara for some reason. Okay.
Nischananti. It becomes nish because it is nish and not ni.
The familiar word in this is nishchaya. Okay.
Got it.
Nishchayam kurvanti. That is the simple this one. Okay. So asmabhihi tathaiva kriyate. Now, though this is bhave prayog, but kru dhatu is not directly akarmak dhatu, but here the sentence is akarmak. Okay. So who will change this? Asmabhi tathaiva kriyate.
vayam tathaiva kurmah.
Kurmah, very good. Okay. Next, samagra karyakrama kena niruhyate. Okay. Now here upasarga is nir and uhyate dhatu. See here in the special dhatu, uhyate means vaha, vahati, and nir upasarga. So samagra karyakrama kena niruhyate. Now can somebody change this? This is a typical example of karmani to kartari. All the three are there.
समग्र कार्यक्रमः कः निर्वहति?
Why karyakramaha? It is a karma. So it should be in dvitiya vibhakti.
समग्र कार्यक्रमं कः निर्वहति?
Uttamam. Okay. So what is the meaning of this nirvahati? Any meaning?
To organize.
Not organize, execute, or maybe okay.
Conduct.
Yes.
It can be conduct, na? Nirvahati.
Conduct. I mean what is comparing Maya, he says. So what Maya is a just one word, Maya. It is Karmani or
Aham.
Kartari.
It is
कर्मणि प्रयोग तृतीया विभक्ति कर्तृपद
But what is the how? I mean, there is adhyar means something is
अध्याहार
there. I mean, this is a common conversation. He is telling Maya. So that means who will do the who will conduct the program? He says I will do. Just say I. So that means aham nirvahami. The earlier sentence is niruyate. So she said kaha samagra karyakramam nirvahati. So this fellow says Maya means aham nirvahami. Okay. Maya manchaha alankriyate. Hmm? Again here, can somebody do?
aham mancham alam karomi.
Aham mancham alankaromi. I will decorate the stage. Alankaromi is alam is a not upasarga. It is a special category of word which are attached before the dhatus like upasargas, and they change the meaning. Karomi or karoti is a one word, and alam karoti is to decorate. Maya sarvani apekshitani vastuni aaniyante. Okay. Now here is a very good this one. Whatever we discussed yesterday, that you change the visheshana, that visheshan vishesha bhava will come into picture here. So can somebody do?
अहं वस्तूनि आनयामि
Aham vastuni aanayami. Okay. And sarvani apekshitani, that remains as it is because it is visheshan vishesha bhava of vastuni. Aham sarvani apekshitani vastuni aanayami. Now this one, okay, though this text is written as for your this one, they are discussing about future event. Sanskritasya saptahasya acharane. So they are holding, I mean the teacher is holding the meeting with the students who will do what. So but here it is not in the lut lakara. Keep that in mind. That is for your understanding. How to change the lut lakara to karmani we will discuss later. But keep it in mind that this is they are discussing about future event, who will do what, and not who does what, or something like that. But for making the process of kartari to karmani clear, they are used lat lakar here. Okay. Okay. Avabhyam karyakramartham chhatraha sajjikriyante. So now who can do this? Avabhyam.
आवां कार्यक्रमार्थं छात्रान् कुरुतः
Very good. Okay. Sajji kurutaha. Both of us will get the students.
Get the students ready.
We'll prepare them for, I mean, their whatever the background to drape them in their costumes and do some makeup and all that. Okay. Next is Geetanam Raga Sanyojanaya Nritya Nirdeshanaya cha Sangeeta Shikshikaya Sahayam Kriyate Kim. So all these are unnecessary up to cha. So Geetanam Raga Sanyojanaya Nritya Nirdeshanaya cha. That's all. Now Sangeeta Shikshikaya Sahayam Kriyate Kim. So what will happen this? Sangeeta
Karoti
Shikshika.
करोति किम?
Sahayam karoti kim. Right? So is she helping you in all this? Nishchayena kriyate. Now again here, I mean, though for your understanding, it is in lat lakar, but this should have been in lut lakar for better. I mean, so will the music teacher help us in all this? So he says Nishchayana kriyate. She will definitely help. Okay. Now here,
सर आवाभ्यां छात्राः सज्जीक्रियन्ते इदानीं कर्ता आवाम् इस् इट् सर या छात्राः
no. See, tritiya vibhakto karta bhavati in karmani prayog.
हाँ
Avabhyam. Now change it to prathama vibhakti.
आवाभ्यां becomes आवाम
Avam. And karma is in prathama vibhakti. Chhatra. So dvitiya, it should be changed to dvitiya vibhakti.
छात्रान्
Okay, so avam chhatra. And now sajji kru is the dhatu, but it should follow the karta. So avam sajji kurutaha. Right? Karoti kurutaha kurvanti. No, sorry.
it's आवाम sir
Not
it's
kurutaha.
आवाम because
No.
yeah
Wait.
कुर्वः it's कुर्वः
Wait. It is not kurutaha, it is kurvaha. Avam kurvaha.
yeah
Ji kurvaha.
yes
Right?
okay
Avam
it's clear sir
ji kurvaha.
yeah
So nishchayate.
Sir, and Sangeeta Shikshikaya will be Sangeeta Shikshika.
Sangeeta Shikshika Sahayam Karoti Kim. Kriyate will become Karoti.
Okay, sir.
So Nishchayena Kriyate, she will definitely help. Samskrita Karyakramaya Tasyam Api Mahan Utsaha Drishyate Eva. Okay. Now, here, this is a typical case where the Karmani cannot be easily transformed to Kartari. Where is the Karta? But before that, we will discuss this Nishchayena Kriyate. So here, as per rule, the word which having Tritiya Vibhakti should be Karta, na? So is Nishchayena Karta here? Who is the Karta?
Sangeeta Shikshika is the karta.
Angita
Madhyahara
Shikshaya is itself is Karta. Then what is Nishchayena? So you have to use some background knowledge that Nishchayena, though it is in Tritiya Vibhakti, it is not the Karta in Karmani Prayog. It is something, it is not related. Definitely, that is the meaning of Nishchayena. But what he means to say is Nishchayena Sangeeta Shikshakaya Sahayam Kriyate. This is the actual full sentence. And Nishchayena will remain Nishchayena. Though it is in Tritiya Vibhakti, it will not change to Prathama Vibhakti because it is not the Karta. It is used in the sense of Avyaya. Okay. There are some Avyayas which look like Vibhakti, like Uchchaihi. Okay. Or Purataha. It looks like Panchami Vibhakti, but it is not. It is Avyaya. Here, though it is a Tritiya Vibhakti, it is used in the sense of Avyaya. So, Nishchayena Kriyate. It will be definitely done. Okay, संस्कृत कार्यक्रमाय तस्याम अपि महान उत्साह दृश्यते. Now here there is no karta here. Kena drishyate, as I said in the Gita shlokas, they said uchyate and all that. There is no karta, so you put some, I mean, from our own pocket. So maybe sarvaihi utsaha drishyate. So sarve utsaham pashyanti. Something like that. Okay. Tadartham maya sa suchyate. Okay. So now who will do this? Tadartham maya sa suchyate.
अहं सूचयामि
हाँ,
अहं तं सूचयामि
not tam, tam. Aham tam सूचयामि.
ताम्
Okay. I will inform her. अस्माभिः सर्वैः ज्ञायते. Now just do this. अस्माभिः सर्वैः ज्ञायते is a kind of bhave prayoga, but wait.
वयं सर्वे जानीमः.
Very good. वयं सर्वे जानीमः. Eva yat. This is the kartru vakyam. Okay, sorry, karma vakyam. Kind of clause, objective clause. संस्कृत सप्ताहस्य अन्तिमे दिने अस्माकं विद्यालयस्य वार्षिकोत्सवः अपि. This the entire thing is the objective clause of the word. There is no kartari karmani, nothing. Okay. And there is a missing kriya padam in this objective clause. संस्कृत सप्ताहस्य अन्तिमे दिने अस्माकं विद्यालयस्य वार्षिकोत्सवः अपि अस्ति or bhavati. That is this one. There is objective clause of the earlier this one. तस्मात् सवैभवं कार्यक्रमः आचर्यते. Savaibavam is with full josh or with all full, what do you say, Vaibhav, how to transfer that into English?
All pomp and glory.
All pomp and show, correct. Okay, very good. Savaibavam Karyakramah Acharyate. Now, Karta is Vayam. Asmavihi Karyakramah Acharyate. It will be done with all pomp and show by us. Adyatve means nowadays. संस्कृतेन कृतः कार्यक्रमः जनैः श्लाघ्यन्ते. Okay. Here, संस्कृतेन कृतः कार्यक्रमः. So, कार्यक्रमः जनैः श्लाघ्यन्ते. जनाः कार्यक्रमान् श्लाघ. Now let us see what is श्लाघन. श्लाघ. श्लाघ्रुकथने. श्लाघते, श्लाघेते, श्लाघन्ते. So janaha कार्यक्रमान् श्लाघन्ते. And संस्कृतेन कृतान् कार्यक्रमान्. Okay, janaha श्लाघन्ते. People appreciate that the कार्यक्रमान् which are done in Sanskrit. प्रमुखेभ्यः अभिभावकेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः संस्कृतानुरागिभ्यः च मया आमन्त्रणं प्रेष्यते. That's all this is just unwanted for kartari karmani. मया आमन्त्रणं प्रेष्यते. अहम आमन्त्रणं प्रेषयामि. I am sending the invitation to whom? All these pramukhebhyah abhibhavakebhyah, the main parent. Abhibhavak is parent, guardians, the main guardians, and sarvebhyah anuragibhyah cha, all the interested people in Sanskrit. केचन प्रतिष्ठितः अपि विशेषणेन आहूयन्ते. Now again here it is maya आहूयन्ते, aham आह्वयामि, I am calling or inviting, who kechana pratisthitaha, some what is a honorable people in the town, तेषां पुरतः चितः सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमः प्रस्तूयन्ते. तेषां पुरतः is okay. चितः is chita, so dachi chinoti na select, so ta pratyaya, so chita is selected, so chitaha bahuvachan, some selected programs सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम प्रस्तूयन्ते, by whom? By the school children. So छात्राः चितान् सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमं प्रस्तुवन्ति, they will present some selected programs before them. तेषां पुरतः अन्ते च पुरस्काराः प्रदीयन्ते. Now दीयन्ते, so it is the da dhatu, diyat dadati, okay, but who will give is not known. Maybe the chief guest, a mukhya atithi puraskaran pradadati, but prizes will be given. That is in English also we say. The karta is not known. Who will distribute? Nothing is known. So here also it is kept secret. प्रतीक चिन्हानि प्रमाणपत्राणि च वितीर्यन्ते. प्रतीक चिन्हानि souvenirs and प्रमाणपत्राणि certificates वितीर्यन्ते. वी धातु, वी उपसर्गा, थ्रू धातु, तरति, see here in the vishesh dhatus, here through tiryate, but original is through tarati is to swim, tarati taranti. So pramana patrani cha vitiryante, the certificates will be distributed. Vayam sarve sambhuya Samskrita saptaham acharama, that is simple, there is no kartari prayoga only. Karyakramam yashasvinam cha kuryam. Kuryama is what? Anybody? No?
लोट उत्तम बहुवचन.
Vidiling lakar.
Sorry.
Okay. Vidiling lakar, uttama purush bahuvachan. Vayam sarve karyakramam yashasvinam kuryam. Okay. So this finishes the chapter from my side. But for you, you have to do the exercises and we will meet next week. Okay. And I will be sharing these 2 files now. And as I said, this Vishesh Dhatu was some few dhatus I selected, may not be the entire list, but these Dvikarmaka dhatus, there are this one, only 16 as per the grammar books. Okay. So here you have to be careful. So that's all. I will stop here. I will say the Shanti Mantra, then we will disperse. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ओम शांति शांति शांति. धन्यवादः.